As some of you may know, Dr. Tahir and I just had another baby. It's been really busy with the newborn, and needless to say, I have not been able to take care of my skin like I usually do, and now my skin is suffering. So that's why we created the Lucere No Peel Treatment Challenge. So this is an at-home treatment that you can easily do. It's going to exfoliate your skin, hydrate, and brighten. So I hope you guys can join me on this challenge and give your skin a boost. Everything you need for this treatment challenge is in this kit that we made especially for our clients. So with this treatment, you're not actually gonna see peeling, but you are gonna get an intense exfoliation, and it's a safe treatment that you can do. Let's get started. Step 1, hydrating cleanser. This is a dual action cleanser that cleanses and hydrates the skin. It gets rid of dirt, oil, and makeup without leaving a greasy residue. Step 2, exfoliating polish. This polish contains magnesium crystals that exfoliate dead skin cells to prevent clogged pores. It instantly polishes skin to restore smoother texture and a healthy glow. Smells awesome. Step 3, Complexion Renewal Pads. These are textured pads that tone the skin and help minimize surface oil. They also exfoliate pore-clogging dead skin cells. They have ingredients like glycolic acid to help with acneic and congested skin. Number 4 is the Daily Power Defense. This is a lightweight lotion that has powerful antioxidants to protect against free radicals from the sun and environmental pollution. It also helps tighten and firm the skin, improving overall skin health. Number 5, Liquid Gold Growth Factor Serum. This silky, luxurious serum strengthens the skin, supports skin rejuvenation, and protects against future signs of aging. It also restores hydration and improves overall appearance of skin. Last step, sunscreen. Protect your skin. This is a non-greasy, quick-drying sunscreen with a sheer matte finish that offers broad spectrum protection. It has a silky texture and universal tint to give your skin a glowing, smooth finish. It can be used alone or as a primer under makeup for a long-lasting application. For your evening routine, you're going to repeat your first 3 steps from your morning routine. Step 1. Hydrating cleanser. Step 2, exfoliating polish. Step 3, the complexion renewal pads. And now we're gonna put on our skin brightening mask. This beautiful mask hydrates your skin and brightens your skin, giving you a fresh, beautiful glow. It contains green tea extracts that help create a more even skin tone. Step 5, Enzymatic Peel. This peel is formulated to provide enzymatic and chemical exfoliation to remove dead skin cells. It helps smooth and soften rough textured skin. It revives dull-looking skin, giving you a beautiful glow. Because the enzymatic peel contains alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA, it may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun. So that's why it's very important to wear your sunscreen every day and follow these instructions accordingly. And the last step is step 6, the Growth Factor Serum, where you want to nourish your skin with anti-aging and skin strengthening ingredients from this liquid gold. We're done. And the best part of this treatment challenge is that you can keep using your skincare products that are in this kit to maintain your results. And the enzymatic peel, you can keep using that just once a week to maintain your beautiful glow.